Hi, I'm Mia.
And I'm Andrea.
I'm Alfredo.
And I'm Steph.
And today we're going to be teaching you about osmosis.
Have you ever wondered how water moves inside your body? Or how dialysis machines clean up someone's blood? In our biology lab, we modeled this process using sugar, water, and a small artificial membrane. It demonstrates one of the most important principles in biology.
The concept we explored is called osmosis. Osmosis is the movement of water from a region of low solute concentration to high solute concentration. In our experiment, we used dialysis bags. These dialysis bags acted as a cell membrane. It has tiny openings that allow small molecules like water to pass through, but prevent larger molecules such as sugar from crossing. We filled these dialysis bags with sucrose solution and placed them into beakers filled with water. In 15-minute intervals, we measured what our results were.
So what exactly is happening? Because the dialysis bag contains the sugar, it has less water when we compare it to outside. Because of this, water naturally wants to move inside in order to find a balance. In order to prove this, we weighed the bag both before and after we put it in the water, and it actually gained weight, showing that osmosis really happened.
This process is constantly occurring in your body. Your cells depend on proper water balance to function correctly. If too much water leaves the cell, it can shrink. If too much water goes inside the cell, it can swell and even burst. Maintaining this balance is essential for normal body function, which is why fluid levels in medical settings are carefully controlled.
This same principle is applied in dialysis treatment for patients whose kidneys no longer filter blood effectively. Dialysis machines use a special membrane similar to the dialysis tubing from our lab. Waste product and excess water move across the membrane, helping restore balance in the bloodstream. We modeled with sugar and water is the same foundational concept used in life-saving treatment.
In our video, we intentionally incorporated the 3 elements we believe are necessary for effective science communication: clarity and simplicity, accuracy without oversimplification, and engagement. First, we prioritize clarity by explaining osmosis in plain language, describing it as water moving to create balance rather than relying on complex terminology. We use simple visuals, such as the one on the screen now, with arrows showing water movement to reinforce understanding. Second, we maintained accuracy by clearly explaining that water moves to differences in concentration, and that the membrane allows some substances to pass while blocking others, without actually distorting how the process actually works. And finally, we focused on engagement by connecting our lab experiment to real-life dialysis treatment and everyday cell function. By showing how a basic sugar and water experiment relates to life-saving medical technology, we made the concept meaningful and relevant to a general audience.
This experiment demonstrates how a simple biological principle explains both everyday cellular function and advanced medical technology. Understanding osmosis helps us better understand how our bodies maintain balance and how science improves lives. We hope this video was informative and that it helped you learn a little bit more about osmosis.